So just like before, except now we're subtracting g from f. I'm going to do f of x in red, g of x in blue. So when I say f minus g, what I'm literally going to put down f, which is the square root of x minus 8 plus 11, and then I'm going to subtract the entirety of g. So I'm going to put g in parentheses, 5 plus 2x. Okay? So now I've got to pretend that this is a negative 1 and distribute that through the parentheses. That's an arrow, allegedly. All right, so this becomes negative 5 minus 2 over x. Okay? And so then in the next line, and everything else stays the same. So this is the square root of x over 8 plus 11. And then I'm going to see if there's a way that I could simplify it. Now, this is different in how I simplify it, though. So this is a little more, I don't want to say complicated. First of all, I have some like terms. I have 11 minus 5. Okay? I have 11 minus 5. So let me think here. I could simplify this, but truthfully, it doesn't help anything. So we just leave it as x over 8. Then I'm going to toss this to the front, minus 2 over x. And then 11 minus 5 is a positive 6. And that is it. Our function f minus g of x. And that's it.